Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel friends. Today in this video, I am going to share with you all a very latest update that is related to Bhava Atomic Research Center Junior Research Fellowship post. So according to this notification, I would like to show you the notification also. So if you want to apply for this post, in various disciplines. So you have to search parc.gov.in. That is the official website of Bhava Atomic Research Center. So you have to search this website in Google search box, and then the home page will be looking like this. And now you have to go to the career opportunity option here on recruitment tab. You have to click on new vacancy. So when you click on this new vacancy, so you will see uh, another page will get opened, and scrolling down you will see notification applications are invited from interested students for the award of junior research fellowships, and you can see last date for receipt of application that has been extended up to 31st March 2021. So this application will be very helpful for all the aspirants who want to join Bhava Research Atomic Bhava Atomic Research Center. So I would like to show you the notification that is you can see on your screen. The last date was earlier 15th January 2021, which has been extended, and it is now 31st March 2021. Number of fellowships you can see for JRF is 105. That is very large number. And if I talk about the BARC or Bhava Atomic Research Center, it is a premier institute which is dedicated to the intense multidisciplinary research supporting the ambitious nuclear energy program of India. So, BARC is empowering young, talented, and motivated students to contribute to path breaking discoveries in frontier areas of scientific research and cutting edge technologies by offering junior research fellowship in the areas of physical, chemical, and biological sciences. Now, the applications are invited from interested students for the award of junior research fellowships at the center. The important thing is that all the selected candidates will register for PhD in Homi Bhabha National Institute, which is deemed to be University of Department of Atomic Energy. Now, I would like to show you the area of research projects. I have already told you there are three basic areas: physical sciences, chemical sciences, and biological sciences, in which you can see the disciplines and the research topics under which projects have been announced. So physical sciences, you can see the number of projects, chemical sciences, and the life sciences. Now I would like to show you all the basic requirement. You can see age limit as well as eligibility criteria where a candidate should have constantly good academic record, and in BSc that must be 60% aggregate, and MSc that must be 55% aggregate from a recognized university. But along with that, a candidate must have MSc in main subject like physics, chemistry, life sciences, where agriculture, biochemistry, microbiology, such kind of subjects. If you have your MSc in these subjects, you are eligible to apply. And additional requirements in this table you can also read. And if you fulfill this criteria, so definitely you can apply for the JRF post. But keep remember those candidates with the MSc or integrated MSc in fisheries, horticulture, forestry, agronomy, animal husbandry, bioanalytical science, polymer, medicinal, pharmaceutical, home science, they are not eligible to apply. Again, I would like to say you another requirement that is very